Welcome aboard the Safari train. As we start our journey, please remember to stay seated at all times, as the track can get a little bumpy. We should be driving alongside some of the larger birds of the park, so keep your eyes peeled when visiting British wildlife too. To the right of the train is Alice Hall Forest, where we often see woodpeckers, herons, egrets, and sometimes even muntjac deer. On warmer days, grass snakes may be seen sunbathing in this area too, so who knows what you'll see. In the front paddock, we have a pair of Stanley cranes. These elegant birds are the national bird of South Africa. They are more commonly known as the blue crane due to their pale blue colouring. Their beautiful elongated wing feathers trail behind them and are often mistaken for tail feathers. Next, we have our grey crown cranes. Crown cranes have a long hind toe called a hallux, which allows them to perch in trees, something that other species of cranes are unable to do. Built in 2011, Penguin Beach is based on a small island located 7 kilometres off the Cape of South Africa, known as Robben Island. It is home to a colony of African penguins and a host of other species, so look out for sacred ibis, night heron and egrets as we go past. Here we have our white storks. Unlike most other birds, these storks cannot sing. Instead, they use their large orange beaks to communicate, by tipping their heads back and clattering the two halves together. They build large bulky nests, often close to humans. They will happily nest on chimneys, rooftops, telephone poles and towers. Every year, pairs of storks return to the same nest site that they have used in previous years. The nest often needs a bit of redecorating, so new material is added to spruce it up.
Emu.
Although they look like small ostriches, these birds are in fact greater rear. They belong to a group of flightless birds called ratites. All ratites lack the keel bone, which flight muscles attach to a flying bird. Other members of this family include emu, cassowary, kiwi and ostrich. Found in the grasslands of Australia, the emu is the second largest bird in the world. Unlike most birds, it is the male emu who incubates the eggs. He looks after them for around 8 weeks, and in this time, he won't eat or drink. Once the chicks hatch, he then will care for them for the next 8 months, until they are able to look after themselves. make some very strange noises. Listen, and you may hear a mixture of grunts, booming, and drumming sounds. The drumming sound comes from an air sac in the neck and is more often produced by the female. Her high-intensity booming can be heard up to 2 kilometers away. Rheas are fast runners, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. They can confuse their predators by zigzagging at speed, frequent dodges to one side or the other, and even turning sharply at right angles. When making sudden changes in direction, the rhea will raise one wing vertically. This acts as a rudder and helps them to keep their balance. White storks are opportunistic feeders and will eat a variety of prey such as small fish, frogs, insects and small mammals. Large numbers of storks have been known to gather at landfill and rubbish dumps, where they scavenge on any scraps and waste food. Robben Island has had many uses throughout history, including as a provision store for passing ships, a leper colony, a hospital, and a prison for political prisoners. Since 1997, it has been a museum and World Heritage Site, and is now a protected conservation area, home to about 132 bird species. We hope to show birdwell visitors an insight into the island, so remember to visit the aviary during your visit today. Grey-crowned cranes are omnivores. They flush out their prey by stomping their feet as they walk. They can often be found near herds of gazelles or antelopes. As they graze, they often disturb insects, which the cranes can then feed on. Can you spot the southern screamer in the back paddock? These birds are found in the wetlands of South America. They have big, partially webbed feet which help them to walk around on wet ground, but they are also pretty good swimmers. The name screamer comes from their loud calls, which can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. We are now nearing the end of the train ride. Please remain seated until we have stopped completely, and then exit through the gates at the rear of the train. Thank you for riding the safari train, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Birdwell.